Jamaican girls for Dizzy. I watch him now. Teddy bear.
Working.
Out.
Whatever though.
So I brought my friend to Jamaica. Bobby, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
What are we ready? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Come on.
Okay. We're gonna be climbing the falls.
Timing?
Yeah. You ready?
You don't ever tell me what we're gonna do. I just come along for the ride.
We're here to have fun.
Okay.
We're gonna enjoy ourselves. You got your wine rum? Where's your drink?
You have to.
Oh no, we gotta get.
Uno member fi subscribe.
Wagwan YouTube, big up to all the viewers, big up to all the subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Extra, do yourself a favor and subscribe. Yes man. So make we talk about this. Shenseea recently had her birthday festival, people, and may I tell you, I wish me did it because it was a big success. But now I tell you a lie, the vibe looked like it did nice. The party was held on September 27th, yeah, and it was hosted by Campari. And Campari is a big drink at Jamaica. Everybody love mix up Campari with everything, you see me, and get frazzled out, you see me, if you know what I mean. So the party itself, people, was held at Plantation Cove in St. Ann, Jamaica. Guest appearances by friends from around the world, you know, people. And the ticket them did $3,000, $5,000 and $7,000. And she did have one bunch of different disc jockey ready to keep the crowd hype and keep them going. Yeah, big up to Shenseea, cause our last album, may I tell you, which you see the cover right here upon our last album, it was a good album, you know, people, and I think it very underrated. And if you have the time, go and go listen it again, because that album is very good, right? She have some song and she's very talented. Now, more change gears and make her go back to the party. The party itself, people, like me say, big success. Enough people reach. See, you can see everybody have a good time. Them did have some dragon there, you know, people. Look on the decor and the venue. See, nice dragon them have right there, so you just a walk through or go up, you know, get burned up. Yeah man. So if you look on the people them now, you see say the place they kind of pack up and ram up just like one minibus, you see me? Cause if you look right there, so you'd think say it was a big stage show like Reggae Sun Fest or Sting, you know, or one of them big show the people. But me tell you, the production was good, and you know, the people them really show Shenseea the support where she's supposed to get, because let me tell you, she's very talented, and I feel like sometimes people underrate her or underestimate her. Some of the song them what she do, she get a little flack feet, but it's all good, people, cause look, the people them show her the love where she's supposed to get, and that's what me I talk about. You know, when an artist I do them birthday thing, you know, for always show support, especially if a people when I rock with and listen to. That's what me I say. So big up to the people them who attend, especially the one them who come from overseas, and you know, the one them local too. Big up on yourself, because this I show the artists real love. Say, want to really appreciate the music and the creativity what she bring to the table. You get me? So the party itself, big success, and like me say, from what you can see right now is a drone footage. I show you pretty much everything right there. So all of the people them will attend. You get me? So apart from that, you don't know say Shenseea have to perform her song them. You get me? So she did perform a few songs, like, you know, her hit and run song. You don't know, that's a big hit with the females them love that. And she have one bunch of different songs to where she perform. You understand? You don't know say she did have her friend there, Stalk Ashley, right? A girl is a big artist too. She have a good following. You don't know. And she did have Ding Dong there too, for sure the support. So me glad to see Ding Dong I show Shenseea the support that she's supposed to get. You get me? All of them something here make me say people really are rock with Shenseea, and that really is a good feeling for your artist. You get me? So I wanna know what you think about the whole thing. You wish you did it. Me know say me for one wish me did it. Cause if me did it, people, I be a picture me that probably take a post and a show and say, yo, the party shot. You get me? Yes, but so in the meantime, me I say probably next time me definitely I go try to reach our party, man, cause if you see how everybody show the support. Me's a big Shenseea fan. You get me? So right now the artist supposed to feel very special. If you know say our people them really show up and give her the 100% love we supposed to get. So leave in the comments down in the comment section below. More know what you feel about the whole party. You think say it was a success? What you think about how she perform? What you think about the people that come at the show, like the artists that show the love and the appreciation? We shouldn't say appreciation, because we say appreciate love now, You get me? We don't say appreciate, we say appreciate love. But till next time, when you go and big up on yourself, make sure say when you subscribe to Jamaica Extra, and you don't know, I'm out.